Our next set of awards is for the arts category. Inspiring Youth Enterprise Award, Arts, goes to Miss Shwetlana Mehta. Congratulations, ma'am. Okay, she's not present here, so we have the wonderful mother of Miss Mehta here receiving the award on behalf of her. Many congratulations. What can be better than having her own mother receiving the award? Many congratulations, ma'am, to you and your daughter and the entire family.
Hello and welcome to the Leaders Award 2024. Hello, ma'am. What's your good name?
My name is Mahalakshmi Mehta. I received this award on behalf of my daughter Shwetlana Mehta.
Oh.
She's an artist. She resides in New York and she's a visual artist and she works with 2 senior artists out there. She's had solo exhibitions out there. She has had a solo art show, some articles printed out there, and that is where she got the Youth Enterprising Award.
That's great, but she couldn't make it today.
No, she has a solo show in New York, so she couldn't make it. So we as parents have come out here with the grandmother and to receive the award on her behalf.
I would say you are a proud parent, huh, receiving awards on behalf of her.
Yes, thank you.
I can see the smile and feel it. You're feeling amazing today.
Feeling very proud about her achievements, feeling very happy about it.
Would you like to say anything about Leaders Award 2024?
It's a very appreciative thing. It ensures that every emerging youth, every emerging corporate person is trying to become a leader in his own field, and so this is an appreciation which helps them move ahead.
Thank you so much, ma'am. It was pleasure meeting you and talking to you. Thank you.